The Grumman F-14 Tomcat stands as one of the most recognizable and iconic aircraft in aviation history. This formidable fighter jet served as the United States Navy's primary fleet defense interceptor for over 3 decades. The F-14 earned a place in the hearts of many, symbolizing American naval power during the Cold War and beyond. Its powerful presence and reputation as a formidable adversary solidified its legendary status. The Tomcat's story is not just one of technological prowess but also of evolution and adaptation. It faced numerous challenges throughout its service life. These included evolving threats, budgetary constraints, and the relentless march of technology. Despite these hurdles, the F-14 consistently rose to the occasion. It cemented its place as a cornerstone of American military aviation. At the heart of the F-14's capabilities lay its revolutionary design. The aircraft featured a variable sweep wing design. This groundbreaking innovation allowed the Tomcat to alter its wing configuration in flight. Sweeping the wings back provided unparalleled speed and efficiency, crucial for intercepting enemy bombers. Conversely, sweeping wings forward enhanced maneuverability during dogfights, giving the Tomcat an edge in close-range engagements. The F-14 boasted the powerful AN/AWG-9 radar system. This gave it unparalleled situational awareness. The AWG-9 could track multiple targets simultaneously, a capability unmatched at the time. Coupled with the long-range AIM-54 Phoenix missile, the Tomcat could engage multiple enemy aircraft from a distance. This formidable combination established the F-14 as a true force multiplier in naval aviation. While the F-14 reigned supreme in terms of capability, it grappled with challenges throughout its service life. The complexity of its design, particularly its variable sweep wings, led to significant maintenance demands. Keeping the Tomcat flight-ready required extensive ground crews and specialized equipment. This logistical burden put a strain on resources and limited the aircraft's availability at times. The cost of operating the F-14 also became a point of contention. Its advanced technology came at a price, both in terms of procurement and upkeep. As defense budgets fluctuated and new priorities emerged, the high cost of sustaining the Tomcat fleet drew increasing scrutiny. This financial reality played a role in the decision to eventually retire the aircraft. From Cold War to combat. The Tomcat's operational legacy. Despite these hurdles, the F-14 Tomcat built an impressive operational legacy. Its primary mission during the Cold War was to defend carrier battle groups from Soviet bombers. The Tomcat's long-range capabilities and powerful radar made it ideally suited for this role. It served as a potent deterrent, ensuring the safety of American naval forces in a tense geopolitical climate. Following the Cold War, the F-14 proved its versatility in a range of conflicts. It participated in operations in the Balkans, providing air cover and conducting reconnaissance missions. It also played a crucial role in the invasion of Iraq, demonstrating its adaptability in a changing world. Sunset of a legend, retirement and replacement. By the early 21st century, the F-14's time was drawing to a close. The U.S. Navy sought a more cost-effective and versatile aircraft to meet evolving threats. The F/A-18E/F Super Hornet, with its multi-role capabilities and lower operating costs, emerged as the Tomcat's successor. In 2006, after 32 years of service, the F-14 Tomcat was officially retired from the U.S. Navy. The retirement of the F-14 marked the end of an era in naval aviation. While the Super Hornet brought new capabilities to the fleet, the Tomcat's legacy continues to inspire. Its iconic design, technological innovations, and unwavering presence in the skies left an indelible mark on military history.